Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this Costco stepping ladder. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're interested in getting a stepping ladder and you're deciding between a stepping ladder and an actual ladder. Which one should you choose? Now with this Costco stepping ladder, I have no regrets getting this just because number one, it's very easy to set up. Number two, it's very sturdy as well. Okay, so having the contact points being on both ends. And in addition to that, you don't need to kind of haul it around as compared to if you were to have a regular ladder. So with this Costco ladder, it's very easy to use. It's got wide stepping stools, as you can see there. And you also have a handle here, unlike a regular ladder where your handles are on the side. So normally when I step on, it makes it very easy for me to just hold on to this while reaching up for more stability. But overall, I'd say this is a great piece of house equipment to have. I use it all the time to put shelving up, to use it while doing home things, to put things in overhead storage cabinets. This thing here, and also if you actually go ahead and pull it, it just doesn't take up a lot of room, okay? So this is how much space it occupies, where you just put it against the wall and it's out of your way. But yeah, I've had no problems with this whatsoever.